All right. So first of all, welcome to all of you for choosing this particular training class to be delivered by Early Rise. And this is the training on cloud computing for the AWS Solution Architect Associate Program. Okay. So to quickly talk about the company's profile. So Early Rise is one of the fastest growing educational technology company, which provides end-to-end learning solutions, both for the corporates as well as the academia. So most of the affordable learning solutions has been in the niche categories, predominantly in the cloud computing, fog computing areas, the cloud security, DevOps, data sciences, artificial intelligence, IoT, big data, and other trending technologies, right? So all the instructors that we have with us are highly experienced industry professionals and certified SMEs in their own area who understand the requirements that most of the customers today have and deliver the solution in a highly efficient way. So that's predominantly about Early Rise as an organization which delivers end-to-end solutions. And training is one of the big verticals that we have in terms of an service offering. Okay. Next, to talk about the course very quickly. So this particular course that we have chosen is about the Early Risers certification training in cloud computing for AWS Solution Architect Associate level. And this is created by the industry experts, keeping in view the industry requirements and the demands for the professionals. The entire course content for AWS has been designed keeping in mind the actual certification examination for Solution Architect Associate level, right? And this is actually going to help you prepare for the actual certification program towards the end of the training. And the participants will also be able to effectively demonstrate knowledge in architecture and the deployment of various secure and robust applications on AWS. Okay, moving on. Quickly about the instructor. So we have Senthil, who is the instructor for the class for this particular batch. And Senthil comes with a multitude of experience. He's a certified multi-cloud architect, has got very strong capabilities in cloud service delivery and a lot of hands-on experience in delivering high-value systems, integration projects across various regions, APAC, EMEA, North America, SEA, those regions. So his overall experience is close to 20 plus in IT infrastructure service delivery. And Senthil possesses a lot of expertise in architecting and engineering cloud infrastructure like AWS, Azure, and Oracle solutions. Having said that, Senthil also has a lot of experience in tower operations like servers, Unix and Wintel. He has done considerable work on the storage areas, network, high availability solutions, virtualizations, DR, backup, cybersecurity, and also configuring private, public, and hybrid clouds for a lot of customers at the enterprise level. And one of the strong aspects of Senthil's capabilities is to provide expertise in service design, development, and deployment of applications. And Senthil also has a lot of credit to himself in executing large-scale data center transformations, migrations, consolidations for various regions, as I talked about before. And one of the chosen persons in terms of customers to enable service rational decisions for them, and also balancing stakeholders' concerns when they have to move towards cloud. And Senthil has also been very, very instrumental in driving enterprise technology strategies pertaining to IT, as well as demonstrate skills in preparing the big picture for the customers. So that's in short about Senthil, who is also a good friend of ours and a highly proven expert at the solution enterprise level. All right. So moving on, quickly wanted to let the class know about the training schedule. So this is going to be the schedule for the next few weeks. So we'll start the batch every day at 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. That's going to be the session beginning. And then we'll have a quick break from 11:30 a.m. to about 11:45 a.m. And then 11:45 a.m. to about 1:30 p.m. would be the continuation of the second session. And then typically we would break for lunch at around 1:30 to 2:30. And then from 2:30 to 4 o'clock would be the second session or the post-lunch session. And then we have a break for about 15-20 minutes from 4 to 4:15 for tea, coffee, and everything else, because it's virtual, so you get your own tea. And 4:15 to 5:30 along with the Q&A. So we want the class to participate in a highly interactive manner. So while Senthil is going to drive most of the sessions, the participants are encouraged to have a lively conversation with Senthil and ask questions as and when required. However, just wanted to let everybody know that if you have got any bulk questions or a question that requires some time to have a discussion, those kind of questions going to be parked towards the end of the day. And when Senthil is actually going to conduct a Q&A and also some quizzes for the class to go through. So that's about I wanted to share quickly. And then I would want to hand over the session to Senthil. So Senthil, welcome to the class. And this batch is all yours from now till the end of this particular training.
Yeah, thank you so much, Devasish. So thanks for the nice intro. So guys, good morning on the call who are joined today, and it's a good decision you made to join this class and session. Allyrise is doing a really good job on the market, and I'm sure you're all going to be a AWS solution architect in the near future. Wish you all the best and good luck. So, just to start off with, maybe a self intro about, yourself. So for me to understand about your, the understanding of the cloud and the cloud infrastructure, with respect to the global companies who is operating on the market and so on. Right. So it sets an expectation for me to understand, like, how do I tailor my training for all of you to take it forward, that I really make you a professional on the cloud aspect of AWS SA, right?